All right. 7.5. Apply properties of logs. Okay, sounds scary, but I promise it's not.
It only sounds scary when it's like, oh, log.
I don't like the property. Me neither. That's not the properties are what makes me.
There's only 3 of them, so it's not bad.
Oh.
All right, properties of logs. All right, let B, M, and N be positive integers. Talking needs to stop. These aren't integers. Well, I guess it doesn't really matter, but we're going to just say numbers.
I really start property of slugs.
Such that B is not equal to 1. Then we have 3 properties. And after you write the property, leave a space, and I'm going to come back and tell you, well, I might just go ahead and tell you, but I'm going to tell you the little hint for how to remember it.
Wait, what is ST?
Such that.
Okay.
All right, first one is the product property. Log, talking needs to stop. Log base B of M times N is equal to the log base B of M plus the log base B of N. And it works both ways, okay? So I'll go ahead and give you my little hint here, courtesy of Mr. Cass. The log of a product is equal to the sum of the logs.
That's crazy.
That's kind of cool.
The quotient property, okay, so that was the hint, so you don't need to leave a space. Quotient property, log base B of M divided by N is equal to the log base B of M minus the log base B of N. This one also has a fancy hint. The log of a quotient is equal to the difference of logs.
Oh.
Do we get a formula sheet for this test or no?
I really hope you don't need one. There's like 3 things that you need to know, so I'm gonna say no.
Are we gonna get a formula sheet on your exam? I really thought you were just about to
I
ask.
thought
I was like, I know, I was like, where is she going with this?
Oh, that's a good question.
Thanks, guys.
The ones that were just on the last test, and then I'll let you add the area formulas for the trig stuff and the law of sines and law of cosines.
Will we get a unit circle?
Yes, I will give you one.
I figured you would, but I just want to make sure I said that.
All right, power property. I don't have a fancy way to remember this one. Well, I kind of do, but it doesn't sound as exciting. But log base B of M to the N is equal to N log base B of M.
So you just times it by me.
My fun catchphrase is throw the exponent out front.
Throw it out front.
You know what? It's blunt and to the point.
I
like it.
remember.
Yeah.
Helps me remember.
Throw it out front.
Hey, that is nice to remember.
Is that all it is?
There's one more formula here. This one I might allow you to have. I don't know yet. If I am going to put it on there. I may opt to just not put this one on there. But I'm going to teach it to you anyways. For the moment. Change a base formula. If A, B, and C are positive numbers, with B not equal to 1 and C not equal to 1, then log base c of a is equal to log base b of a over log base b of c. In particular, log base c of a is equal to log of a over log of c, and log base c of a is equal to the ln of a over the ln of c. So basically, usually when we change bases, almost lost the book. When we change bases, we usually want it as a common log or a natural log, so you're typically going to use the one written in green.